Hey everybody, Ben here with Diesel Power Products, and today we are talking about the BOSCH CP3 injection pump. Now there are lots of different models of trucks that have a BOSCH CP3 on there, so let's go over those real quick. You've got basically any of the 01 to 2010 Duramax engines. So that's going to be the LB7, the LLY, the LBZ, and the LMM. Those all had CP3 style injection pumps on there. On the later models, they went to a different pump. Also on the Cummins trucks, basically anything from 03 to current, except for 2 years, 19 and 20, Ram went to a CP4. I don't know why, but they went back to a CP3, so they got their heads out of the rears and they're good to go. So again, these CP3s are going to cover 2001 to 2010 Duramaxes, and basically 03 to current, except 19 and 20, 5.9 liter and 6.7 liter common rail Cummins engines. So what we have in front of us here is the actual CP3 itself. There are two ways to purchase BOSCH CP3s on our website. There is a remanufactured CP3 and there is a brand new CP3. If you are wanting a brand new pump that's never been installed, never been ran, the price tag is going to reflect that, but we have a brand new, no core charge required BOSCH CP3 pump to go on your truck. If you're looking to save a little bit of money, and honestly, not sacrifice, in my opinion, anything in quality, we do have the BOSCH remanufactured pumps, which do have a core charge required on there, but they are going to be built to the same standards as the brand new BOSCH pump is. The only thing they've done is they've gutted the internals, made sure the case is still good to go, and replaced everything on the inside, and again, built to the exact same specifications as the brand new pump, which is the same exact pump that would have came in your truck from the factory. So you know you're going to get a quality product. As far as what comes with the pump, well, you're looking at it. This is the pump. The only thing that we do get lots of questions on is, does it come with a new FCA, MPROP, fuel meter, fuel control, actuator, however you want to call it? Plenty of people have plenty of different names for it, but yes, they do come with a brand new FCA on there, so you do not have to purchase one separately. Couple of pro tips here. If you suspect that your CP3 is starting to not do what it's supposed to do, there are some diagnosing tips that you can kind of handle before you replace the pump here, because honestly, the pump is not cheap, let's be real. It's one of the more expensive items in your fuel component system, but the adage we like to use here is follow the fuel. Start from the tank and work your way forward all the way to the cylinders and figure out where the fuel is stopping or where something is telling it not to continue going. If it ends up being your CP3, great, we've got you covered. If it ends up being something else, don't worry, we've got you covered with lots of other BOSCH high quality parts as well. If you have questions on your fuel system, or if you're trying to diagnose if it is actually time to replace your injection pump, we have phone sales technicians that are very well versed on the topic, on the phones, ready to answer your questions, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. You can also reach out to us via chat feature on the website, social medias, email, whatever works best for you. We are here to answer your questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.